So Singy is a Bichon Frizz, but he's extremely huge for a Bichon and weighs over 30 pounds. And then Tom is a Maltese and a Poodle mix, but he has more Maltese in him than Poodle, and he's also very big for his breed. So this is what it's like to walk a 13-year-old dog and a 7-month-old puppy. Singy has to pee every 2 seconds, right Singy? And then he has to sniff everything. And then Tom, the 7-month-old puppy, will not pee or poop anywhere except inside the house. Tom? Singy? Singy, 됐다. Singy, look here. Singy's actually really camera shy. Tommy there. Stop. Tom, stop. Tommy here, look. Oh my goodness, I can't get them to stay still. Singy! Singy there. Singy, stop. Singy, look here. Show mommy your face. There's Singy's beautiful face. Tommy, yeah. Tommy, look. Tommy, sit. I tied them together so they can't run away. Not that they will. Tommy야. Tommy there. 같이 Tom. Tommy. Singy still sniffing and stopping every 2 seconds. Right, Singy? Okay. Singy? Tommy, what happened? Singy doesn't like it, Tom. Singy's an old man. Right, Singy? Today we're walking Singy and Tom. It's pretty cold out, so they have their sweaters on. And I have a walking buddy today. Bichon, hi, love.
Hi.
Bichon just fell trying to run with Tom. Tommy there, let me see. Alright, Singy. You guys done? Let's go. Oh, Singy's not done. Okay, Singy, okay, I get it. I got it. Let's go. All right, Tommy, give me hand. Give me hand. All right. Okay. Good. Tommy, sit. Sit. Give me hand. Okay, now up. Good boy. Okay, okay. Tommy, sit. Give me hand. Good boy. Give me other hand. No. Other hand. This hand. Tommy, this hand. Tommy, yeah. Tommy, give me hand. Okay, up, up, up. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, Tommy, sit, sit. Give me hand. Give me this hand. No, this hand. Good boy. Yes, you are. Good boy. Okay, up. Tommy, up. Down there. Good boy. You're a good boy.